Now, coming on to instrument tie. The same principles of knotting are applied over here. Instead, we will be using our surgical instruments. The instruments that we will be using is a needle holder. Now, I have a loop of thread which has been passed through the knotting station. We will keep one limb short and the other limb long. Now, with the help of a needle holder, what we will be doing is passing the long limb. We will be passing twice around the needle holder, and then with the tip of the needle holder, we will hold the tip of the short thread and passing it through the loop, and we will just go in to get a square knot or a reef knot. The important thing to get a reef knot is that this time we will be rotating it in the opposite direction. Previously, the thread was going above the needle holder. Now we will be going below the needle holder. Again, hold and pull the tip to tighten it. So this is how it is going to be. Twice above the needle holder, once below the needle holder, and again once above the needle holder. At the end, with the help of a scissor, you can cut the thread, and what you are left with is a secure knot.